Hi, this is Sonakshi Sinha.
Hi, मैं हूँ अर्जुन कपूर.
And you're watching us on Bollywood Hangama.
Keep on watching.
Well, we have with us the hottest real jodi in Bollywood right now. Many are saying that it's like a real life jodi as well. So we'll find out more about that. Arjun Kapoor and Sonakshi Sinha, huge pleasure to have you guys on Bollywood Hangama first of all.
Thank you.
And how do you react when you guys are being calling the smoldering chemistry?
You missed our reaction. We looked at each other and we laughed.
आपको पिछले इंटरव्यू में चलेगा ना 2 + 2 is now 36.
Yeah, exactly.
It's become that only.
Right,
you
right.
can't take it so seriously. As long as people are enjoying us in front of the camera.
Right.
जो ऑफ कैमरा डिस्कशन होती है, I think it's pretty. वो भूल जाते हैं लोग after a point. There's no truth to it.
But you know, many people would say that what's the harm? Like she's such an attractive woman as well. Whatever. If there is something, if you have some real sentiments for her, so there's no harm in that as well.
No, not at all.
I'm just speculating actually.
Yeah,
No,
I mean,
not at
like
all.
everybody else.
Not at all. And I completely
Speculating on camera.
I completely agree about the fact that she's a very, very attractive woman, and
Right.
we do get along well.
Right.
Check बाद में देते but it purely stems out of two people who've been friends for years,
Right.
and we reconnected while working together. So there's a even more visible comfort with us. We are on backslapping terms, genuinely like two friends.
Right.
जिन्होंने एक पिक्चर की है, अब उसका नतीजा ये है that we've also become friends socially. We hang out a lot more. So the calculation of people is, अच्छा, there must be something brewing that they're hanging out. It actually
Right.
just happened that our friendship has gone into a very good space that
Right.
we've become like we've seen films, we've attended parties together, but that does not always have to add up to romance.
Absolutely, absolutely. In fact, you know, a friend of mine, he just एक छोटी सी कविता टाइप की लिख दी इनफैक्ट आप लोगों के ऊपर.
क्या बात
I don't know. I just trying to remember what exactly. You know, it was like that. बचपन की दोस्ती है, जब हम जवान होंगे जाने कहाँ होंगे. अब जवान है, बेताब है, तेवर भी नए हैं. So something like that. So that's what the.
Who is this person? I want to meet him.
मेरा friend है.
सनी पाजी और अमृता सिंह बहुत खुश होंगे इस कविता से. Because बेताब has really come into the picture.
Right.
Yeah.
So somewhere, so मतलब you know, बचपन की दोस्ती है.
Correct.
जवान हैं अभी तो मतलब क्या बुराई है जो भी है.
बुराई कुछ नहीं, but जबरदस्ती भी क्या है?
Apparently, but I think you went to see his knockout with Ranveer recently.
Yeah, there were many other people there. I was not the only one who went. There were 4,000 other people there.
There that.
I had two other co-stars also.
Yeah.
Alia Dhar and Deepika Dhar also, and Ranveer.
Yeah.
Ranveer, yeah.
So there are a lot of people there. I wasn't the only one.
Right,
I
right,
went
right.
as an audience to
Right,
watch my
and-
friend getting roasted.
Roasted.
Yeah.
Okay, and I think you guys, I think, जी.
He roasts me every day. Yeah, so
Right.
I did not want to miss this opportunity where his case was being taken.
His case was being taken. Okay, now I think you guys are sharing, I think, a wonderful chemistry in Jogania. We were just talking
Thank
to
you.
Amit. I think it's shot beautifully, and the way entire, I think, facial expressions बहुत ही clear हैं, and मतलब मोहब्बत आपकी झलक रही है एकदम बिल्कुल इनके लिए. On screen.
सिर्फ इनके लिए.
On screen.
वो मेरा फॉर्मूला नंबर 44 है. आप एक्टर कोई भी डाल दो मेरे सामने. प्यार होता
नहीं,
है
इसमें difference. ये कुछ थोड़ा different.
सेट पे रोज यही बोलती थी, कोई भी एक्टर को फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
चलो लव करना है. फॉर्मूला नंबर 44.
नहीं, लेकिन इसमें कुछ थोड़ा.
अरे.
As an audience, I've seen all your films. So.
अच्छा.
देखिए मेरे साथ काम करके वैसे ही इतनी
So
हुई है.
yeah, but I think it's a fascinating, I think, picturization especially.
Thank you.
Beautifully sung by, I think, Shruti Hassan as well.
Yeah.
So how was the experience of doing Jogania?
It was quite difficult actually.
वो
we
बारिश में
were
भीगना.
shooting in Akloj and we were shooting in the real gullies, those gullies that you've seen, and you know, crowd control. We were shooting in the rain, so and it got cold in the nights that we were shooting. How many days were you shooting?
4 nights we were getting wet in the rain.
Yeah.
Right.
वो जो आपको दिख रहा है फिल्म पे, that is the final product.
Yeah.
But the journey to do that song was really difficult because शॉट के लिए बारिश होती है, फिर बारिश रोक दी जाती है, फिर शॉट के लिए बारिश होती है, फिर रोक दी जाती है,
सूख जाता है, फिर वापस भीगना पड़ता है, सूख जाते हैं, फिर वापस भीगना पड़ता है. तो it was quite difficult.
Shot in February, so I think it must be cold as well.
Yeah, it was cold.
But I think full credit to her. बहुत लोग ये नकार देते हैं या भूल जाते हैं that she's a very very fine actor.
Absolutely.
She's such a fine actor that she can emote with her eyes, which she did so well in Lutera, which people appreciated her for, and I think that Joganya is a nice reminder for people that this is a facet to Sonakshi that genuinely
just one song can just tell you a lot.
My friends have called me and said, यार एक जैसे आपने कहा, एक गाने में कहानी उभर के आ रही है.
बिल्कुल.
That the love is so, it comes from a very pure place.
मोहब्बत तो खैर है.
मोहब्बत है, अब वो कहाँ से वो कैसे आती है, कहाँ जाती है. But I swear to you, Varidun, I've seen a lot of my films at certain stages and reacted to certain things.
Right.
Joganya, the way it comes in the film, at the time that it comes, with the performance that Amit has drawn out of her, the emotion that you feel for these two characters, that is why I think somewhere people are reacting to the emotion because it is genuine. You'll feel it in the film also. It comes at the most perfect time in the film also. I think that's why it comes together so nicely, the picturization.
Well, absolutely, and I think when you see it, I think her eyes they stay with you somehow.
Truly.
There is.
I mean, the way she looks at me when I'm just protecting her in the rain, that in the beginning only you get a sense of a girl who needs help.
Bilkul.
You know, that she really trusts this boy with her life, and those are the small layers that people take back home with them when they connect with the characters while watching it. So if गाने में आपको ट्रेलर में झलक आ रही है, I hope fingers crossed फिल्म में भी आएगी.
नहीं इंशाल्लाह.
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.